Hi guys, Dr. Thomas Keogh with Bear Chiropractic located here in Billings. Did you know the first chiropractic adjustment wasn't for neck or back pain? It was actually for hearing loss. Back in 1895, Dr. D.D. Palmer, being the man that he was, analyzed Mr. Harvey Lillard's spine and saw there was interference or a subluxation in that top two bones, the C1 and C2 bone. Analyzed his entire spine, found there was a misalignment there, and gave a very gentle and specific adjustment, instantaneously restoring his hearing.